Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Audition for de-essing and compression step by step clearly. Go to the Adobe website by typing in www.adobe.com. Once the page loads, navigate to the Creative Cloud section. Click on See Plans to view the available subscription options. Look for the Adobe Audition plan specifically, which may be included in the Creative Cloud All Apps bundle. Select the plan that best suits your needs. If you choose the All Apps plan, verify that it includes Adobe Audition. After selecting your plan, click on Buy Now or Start Free Trial if you want to test it first. You may be prompted to sign in to your Adobe account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on Sign Up. Enter your personal information as requested, including your email and password. Once signed in, review your order summary. Proceed to payment by entering your billing details. Select your payment method and fill in the necessary information. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Adobe website and log in to your account. Navigate to the Apps section to find Adobe Audition. Click on Download to install the software on your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open Adobe Audition to begin exploring its features for de-essing and compression. You are now ready to start your audio editing journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.